Place the mainframe arm into the base. Align the holes, then insert the A M10 by 75 hex bolt and B washer. On the other side, add another B washer and secure it with a C nut. And tighten it using 2 wrenches. Finally, snap on the D nut cap. Slide the G lifting arm into the top of the main frame. Insert the F M10 by 70 bolt with a L washer on both sides. Then add the M small lock nut and tighten with tools. Cover the nut with the I nut cap. First, insert the ball end of the H hydraulic pump into the main frame and lock it with the built-in C nut. Then, align the top of the pump with the G lifting arm. Insert the J M10 by 60 bolt through a L washer. A second L washer, and secure it with a M lock nut. Tighten and add the I nut cap. Insert the O sling holder pipe into the N sling holder. Then align it with the G lifting arm. Insert the PM10 by 55 bolt with a L washer on both sides and secure it using a M-lock nut. Finish with the I nut cap. Insert the R cord holding tabs into the slots on the back of the Q electric control box. Then plug in the S remote control and the T power cord into the bottom of the control box. When the power cord is not in use, cover the socket with the U power socket cover. On the back of the main frame, loosen the 2 screws slightly. Slide the Q electric control box onto the screws and let it rest securely in place. Then remove the battery and turn the locking tab clockwise over the screw to secure the box firmly. Your Vive Electric Patient Lift is now fully assembled and ready to deliver safe, stable support for every transfer.